Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gobind Garg, and today I am happy to introduce to you Dr. Ayush Sharma. And Ayush ने अभी FMGE एग्जाम क्लियर किया है, so we'll be discussing what are the strategies और इससे आपको क्या गेन हो सकता है, ये सब हम डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे. तो वेलकम आयुष.
Thank you so much, sir.
So Ayush, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ayush Sharma and I have just cleared the FMGE 2021 with great marks, with a great guidance of the PrepLadder faculty team, the dream team, and I've managed to able to gain a good score with the guidance of Gobind Garg sir and with the help of dream team especially, who made the things easy for me, very crystal and clear manner.
Ayush, from where did you do your MBBS?
Sir, I have did my MBBS from Kazakhstan, Almaty.
Okay. So in which year you passed the exam?
Sir, actually, last year I graduated in 2020, July.
Okay.
I've completed my MBBS.
Okay. So this was your second attempt?
Yeah, sir. Actually, it was not second attempt because August attempt also I've given. Actually, it was just a trial in which I did not knew about the things, like about the strategies and all. It was just a, like a empty, with the empty mind, with no knowledge and all. I've just given the test with the, I want to observe. So it was also the part of my attempt, but because of that attempt, I've decided that what should be my strategies, what should be my plannings ahead for the FMGE.
When did you start your studies for the exam in particular?
Sir, actually, I've started my preparation from mid of September for December 2020.
Okay.
But due to, sir, maybe due to there is something, like it was not my luck that due to the 8-number margin, I did not clear the December 2020.
So you got 142 in that?
Yes, sir. In 142.
So actually the time was also less because you got hardly 3 months to prepare.
Yes, sir. Actually, and as you know, sir, you were my guide there, and I was little bit in depression because of my August. I knew that I will not clear, that I won't be clear that August attempt, but still I don't know. I was upset, and I was like that I've got just less marks in August, so how would I clear that? And you were the great guide that time. So after coming out from my, that depression mood and little bit tense mood, so I've started my preparation from the mid of September, basically.
So great. Ayush, can you tell the audience that how did you prepare? How did you schedule your studies? How many hours videos? How many hours MCQs? And basically, how did you prepare so that they can get an idea?
Okay. Sir, basically, I want to tell basically preparation for my June 21. Because of that preparation, the strategy which I changed, because of that only I succeed. So I would like to tell about the preparation for June FMG. Sir, I have started my preparation basically from the mid-January. Okay. And I've gone through, because the lecture which I've already gone through for the December, so I did not watch that lectures. But for those subjects which I wanted to do the lectures, so I've just started finishing lectures. Plus parallel, I was finishing those subjects in which I was confident. So I've divided my my schedule into parts from 7 to 1 o'clock and from 2 o'clock till 7 p.m. So in these two parts, in morning hours, I was doing those subjects in which I was not confident. And in second part, I was doing those subjects which were already completed and I was confident. And after finishing till 7 p.m., I just took the break off for the half an hour. And after that, I started practicing MCQs daily. As per your guidance, I've just listened all the videos of MIB, as you and Apuv sir said always, that practice MCQ as much as you can. Daily 100 MCQ you should practice. So I was going through that strategy only. And in remaining time, I was just watching the snapshot videos. And when the time was, when the time was like from January, when the March came, when the April came. So I have started basically the full revision from the April, when I finished the lectures and all. And after that, I was just focusing on revisions only. And whenever I was finishing revisions, I was just rescheduling my days. Like if I'm completing my one revision in 18 days, so I'm just focused. I've just focused that my second revision should be completed in 15 days. It should not get the 18 days. So like that, I shifted my days and I able to manage that time particularly. And About the study hours, sir, I was giving basically 12 to 14 hours daily. So
is a
that was
huge
my
time.
schedule. And yes, sir. And I was giving the mock test every Sunday. It was my basic strategy because mock test helps you a lot. Like, because every time you revise the notes, you learn. You know that I have learned a lot. But to put that knowledge while doing the MCQs, it is the main thing. So this thing comes when you do a lot of questions.
So I agree,
So
totally
in
agree,
that
because
respect, it is the
finally the exam is MCQ, so you should be in that mode always, so that you need to
yes,
solve
sir.
the MCQs. So
Yes, sir.
Ayush, it was lovely to know that you continuously work so hard. So can you tell how you keep the momentum going, like studying continuously? If I study for 10 hours, 12 hours a day, then I will need another 6 days break. So
Sir, yeah, actually, it is actually a fact that if you are studying, if you continuously are studying for 12 to 14 hours, definitely you need 1 day break at least, because you know that our mind gets up, fatigue when you
yes,
regularly work up. So mind also wants some relaxation. So you should put your schedule like that, that if you put your day as a 1 day break, like if you are preparing your timetable, and in that timetable, if you are just keeping the 1 day relaxation in 2 weeks per time or like that, so it is not a big deal. But yeah, you should manage your timetable accordingly, so that 1 day which you kept for relaxation, it won't affect your preparations, like that, oh yeah, I wasted my 1 day, and I could do a lot of things in that 1 day. So it should not come into your mind, and it is only possible that when you make your strategies very well, very crystal and clear, like, okay, I have to do like that, in that way only.
I also keep on saying that you should have
Yes, sir.
scheduled breaks. Like if you keep 1 day break or half a day break in a week, that is very good. But if you do not keep the break, then the brain will automatically take it. So
Yes,
unscheduled
sir.
breaks will be more damaging than the scheduled breaks.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
so that is
Exactly.
a very good point you said, that you kept the breaks in between.
Yes,
Ayush,
sir.
can you tell me, did you attempt all the questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I attempted all the 300 questions. I did not left any questions, and I managed the time properly. So I just planned that like single question, it won't be affected because due to the less time, because and that came from the mock test only. The time management. It is
So
the
that
must
is,
thing.
that's
So
very
that helped me a
important.
lot.
So how many mock tests did you appear
Yes,
for?
sir. I have given mock test around 10 to 12 from
Okay.
April till June, because basically I've started giving the mock test from April only. So
Okay.
sometimes I give the mock test twice in a week also.
Okay. And did you give some grand test apart from mock also?
Yes, sir. Grand test also I've given, like about the grand test and the championship one. So both I've attempted.
Okay. So how did these tests help you in your preparation? One is time
Sir,
management.
actually, yes, sir.
Apart from that,
Sir, basically that mock test helped me. First of all, the time management, as you said, sir, because of your videos only, I've got to know. Because in August I did not attempted any mock test. I was very afraid. If I attempt any question wrong, it will depress me. Oh, that yeah, that question went wrong. But that is not the thing. I just kept looking in a positive way, and the mock test helped me in that way to manage the questions. Like if this is a case coming like 4 lines question, and in exam everyone knows there is only a single minute for one question, and if you started reading each and every line of that question, your 1 minute get wasted. So that is the no point. So while attempting the mock test, I've learned that how to approach the questions. You have just to focus on that single keyword. That's you don't have to read that 4 line questions. First read the options. If information is coming in your mind, you have to just search that information regarding to that in that question only, your question will get solved. So the mock test helped me in that way to how to approach the questions mainly, and that is the main thing, because it will save your time in main exam.
very good. You had told very important thing, because many students, they do not appear for mock test thinking that कि अगर marks कम आ गए तो मतलब ऐसा होगा कि मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है types. They get depressed, and but it has distinct advantages. Apart from one, they will tell us they will make your stamina of sitting 3 hours continuously. Second,
Yes, sir.
you
Exactly.
get time management, that whether you are completing in sufficient time or not. And third, as you said, you can
Yes, sir.
approach questions correctly. Like
Yes,
first
sir.
time when I started giving, I was talking my time when I gave a test of 200 questions, I was able to complete only 150 in this stipulated time. 50 क्वेश्चन कर ही नहीं पाया. But when I gave for 5-6 times, then I came to know कि यार इन क्वेश्चंस पे कम टाइम वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, इन पे हम ज़्यादा टाइम दे सकते हैं. So in that manner, you come to know the time management plus approach to the question, as you rightly said that sometimes the question is very very long. Then you can quickly go through and keep in mind about the key points which the examiner want to ask. So that is very
Yes, sir.
very very important point you made. So guys, note this point. Mock tests are very very important. So Ayush, coming to your preparation, another thing, how did PrepLadder help you in your preparation?
Sir, PrepLadder was helpful in each and every step. Like it was, like my guidance and everything. There are no words to explain because the dream team of PrepLadder, sir, is very much good. Because you can communicate to dream team directly if you have any doubt, if you are feeling depressed and all. So in everything, sir, like you are the part of dream team, and I know, sir, that how many times I called you to like, sir, please help me. I'm in this situation. So it was very much good that you can communicate your faculties, you can communicate the teachers directly. Plus, sir, rapid revision videos are, sir, very helpful. If you have gone through the lectures, so in last time, or basically if you have very less time, like only 2 to 3 months, if you focus, if you sincerely follow the rapid revision videos, they are enough to pass FMG. Just keep on revising because my funda is content should be less and useful, because if you are studying 80 pages and you know that 80 pages are very useful, questions will come from these only, so that 80 pages you can revise it like many times. But if you are revising that 300 400 pages notes, everyone knows that it will take time, so the revisions will be less and time will be more. So content should be like in a concise and a precise manner. So rapid revision videos helped me a lot. My key to success is only the rapid revision videos plus QBank, mock test, and faculties. And sir, especially thanks to you and sir Deepak Marwa, sir. Sir, like I want to, sir, tell you one thing which my father told me before the interview, that appreciates sir for my side also, because sir, when I was seeing your rapid revision video, one drug came which was the Mirabegon. So I was studying that, and when you said that just learn in that mirror, mera bladder gone. My father laughed a lot, and he said that if you study from Gobind sir, you won't forget any single drug. Doesn't matter how much it is difficult, sir. My father and mother, they've praised you a lot. So my father especially said that please thanks to Gobind sir, and sir,
Pay my
really you helped
regards
me
to
a lot.
all your father also.
Thank you so much,
I
sir.
feel very very elated to know this. And Ayush, as we talked, you were in constant touch with me since few months.
Yes, sir.
If you want to talk, in between, you get depressed, you had some family issues also. So how you overcome those problems? Because almost in every student's life, some distractions or some problems come. So overcoming those
Yes, sir.
problems is very very important. This is also a part of preparation. So can you guide
Yes,
the
sir.
students how you overcome the non-study distractions, or we can say problems which occur in family or whatever way which are affecting your studies, how you overcome those problems?
Sir, actually, as you said, sir, problems is in everyone's life, in their preparation, in their running life. But the main thing is that if you have your target in your mind, that okay, I have to reach that destination only, so you would get affect for only 2 or 3 days. Like in Hindi, I want to say that ठीक है 2 या 3 दिन आप उस पे रो लो, चिल्ला लो, कुछ भी कर लो, but at last you know that I have to reach that destination only. कितना भी रो लो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो अपने माइंड को इस तरह से प्रिपेयर करो कि ठीक है, मेरे को उस जगह जाना है. मुझे पता है सर दैट आई नो दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट माय cousin brothers, my family members, but still I cried a lot. I was suffering, but still I know that I have to clear FMG, only 1 month left, and I have to reach that destination only. So if your destination, if your path is clear in your mind, you would get affect. But the basically your brain knows more than you. That yeah, okay, I have to settle myself because this guy planned along those things in starting. So I have to keep come along that way only, and I have to guide this guy in that way only. So your brain knows everything. Like in our body, there is feedback mechanism, you know, that settlement. Your mind knows everything. But yeah, your path should be clear. So like that, I overcome. I just talk to myself, and like I was talking to yourself, and you, sir, you made me clear, and you were with me. So that thing also helped me a lot as a guide and as a friend. So basically, sir, I've just overcome with these issues like that only. Like I did not think about that too much because my path was clear. I have to clear FMG. I can cry, I can talk about these things after exam also, but this exam won't come again. This was my last chance. I thought like that. So that thing helped me a lot, the single thing.
So very well said, Ayush. Like problems comes in everyone's life, but your aim, your goal should be clear कि मुझे ये करना है तो करना है, ठीक है. And as Ayush said के दिमाग को एक अपना पार्ट समझ के उसको समझाओ, भैया मुझे ये करना है, तुझे जो करना है 1-2 दिन जो भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालने निकाल ले, ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरा मेन पाथ तो यही है, ठीक है. यू कैन नॉट ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट मी फॉर लॉन्ग इन दिस. तो यू नीड टू कंडीशन योर ब्रेन योरसेल्फ कि अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो ठीक है, सबके आती है, सबको दुख भी होता है, बट यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट क्विकली. अदरवाइज इफ यू लूज टू मच टाइम देन दैट विल बी डिफिकल्ट. चलो आयुष, मेरे को ये स्पेसिफिकली मतलब पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि विच फैकल्टीज यू लाइक एंड व्हाई डिड यू लाइक? मतलब the most. Obviously, I know that you like almost everyone from PrepLadder. You're just like a family.
Yes, sir.
So
yes, sir.
Will you like to name someone, some particular faculties and the reasons for that?
Okay, sir. First of all, as you said, sir, I love every subject faculty, but sir, mainly first number is you, because sir, pharma
because I'm taking
is
interview.
no, sir, it is not like that. It is not like that, sir, because drugs are that part of human body. Everyone forgets that. Even me also, if I did not study pharma for 1 week, I will get forget. But with your mnemonics, no one can forget. And as the part of teacher, if you are making that part easy for students, that student can remember those information for a long period of time. So as the teacher, you are great. And for me, sir, you are wonderful, because you made that subject easy, in which everyone afraid to learn. That how will I remember the side effects? How will I remember, like for ACE inhibitors, the mnemonic was captopril. Simple. These are the only side effects. So everyone knows that. I know that I can remember this mnemonic for a long period of time, even because of you only. So sir, first is you.
Thank you.
And sir, second, sir, Deepak Marwa, sir, because sir, the medicine they made so much easy, because medicine is like a very long and no doubt is very tricky subject, but still Marwa sir made it so much easy. And sir, the Rajesh Kaushal sir, who made anatomy so much easy. Sir, it was a very wonderful journey like with every PrepLadder team. So, but sir, first position goes to you only, sir.